When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change, if the alternative is disaster. If something's important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. People should pursue what they're passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket, as long as you control what happens to that basket. Starting a business is not for everyone. Starting a business, I'd say, number one is have a high pain threshold. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better, and questioning yourself. It's very important to like the people you work with. Otherwise, your job is going to be quite miserable. I say something, and then it usually happens. Maybe not on schedule, but it usually happens. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop, where you're constantly thinking about what you've done, and how you could be doing it better. I wouldn't say I have a lack of fear. In fact, I'd like my fear emotion to be less, because it's very distracting, and fries my nervous system. I think life on Earth must be about more than just solving problems. It's got to be something inspiring, even if it is vicarious. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. It is important that people look forward to coming to work in the morning, and enjoy working. If you get up in the morning, and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. I just want to retire before I go senile. Because if I don't retire before I go senile, then I'll do more damage than good at that point. I usually describe myself as an engineer. That's basically what I've been doing since I was a kid. Man has the power to act as his own destroyer, and that is the way he has acted through most of his history.